if you run into a value error, because this is not a numeric value, so if you have a header or if you have an empty space, we are just going to do continue. I commented out my error checking message here. So if I run this file, again you can copy. So as you can see, once you include the error checking and filtering, now you have, the bad thing is I have a .0 here. So I should not have converted the movie ID into float. I only need to check the rating as a numeric value. But basically we are able to get rid of the header as part of the output. So this output data looks nice. We have movie ID as a key, and we have the rating as the value, and potentially it satisfies our requirement to fit into the reducer. But from a more practical standpoint, particularly from an industry perspective, this doesn't make a lot of sense, particularly for people who don't have access to the raw data, or that they see a number associated with the rating. What does this number mean? Which movie is this? We don't have that information on this data set. And it is likely to be the case when you are working with massive data set across massive data set, is that there's no data set that really has everything. So looking at the README, we see that the movie ID can be associated with the title in the movie.csv file. And this file is a lot smaller than the rating.csv file. So this is the case typically in the MapReduce environment where you have the massive data is being distributed on Hadoop MapReduce on the HDFS and have the mapper operate on that. But at the same time, each individual mapper process also load in data from smaller, much smaller data file to help with processing. So go ahead and copy the movies.csv file. This time you are copying it from Hadoop back into your intro to Hadoop directory on Linux. And let's go ahead and create a file called mapper3.py. So you can copy paste the content for mapper3.py from the intro to Hadoop page. So what the file does is we are assuming that we have a file called movie.csv in the same locations. We are create an object in Python which is typically called a dictionary, and for each movie within the dictionary we can have the movie ID associated with the title and with the genre. So So the movies.csv again comma separated with this. The first column is the movie ID. The second column is the movie title. And the third column, which is another type separated string, and the genre associated with that movie. So with that format, you can see that each mapper is going to look in that movie file directly into its memory and read it in as a CSV reader. And for the row in the reader, we are reading in the movie list, the title, and the genre. Yes.
How will the mapper be able to read that movies.csv file if it is living under our home directory?
We'll get to that.
Because we copied it out of AJ, but that's not
Yeah.
in. Okay,
Yeah, we'll get to that. So if you have that and you rerun this command, replacing mapper 02 with mapper 03. What did I do? Line 8, and read the. Oh. Oh. I forgot to get the data. Okay, so now this is more like it. I have the key, which now is not just a simple string number. It is actually associated with a movie title, and I have the rating of that movie. So if you are giving our report, this makes much more sense than a number in a rating. Let's keep on the assignment and let me go through all of the lecture first because it's 11:17 now and I think we are stopping at 12. Let me go through all of the material first and then you can go back and try this out if we have time or try it out at home.